traverse a tree in a systematic way so that each vertex is visited exactly once. Three common used traversal are pre-order, post-order, and in order. Here, pre-order traversal. The pre-order traversal of a binary tree is defined recursively as follows. Visit the root. Traverse the left subtree in pre-order. Traverse the right subtree in pre-order. Here, example, we find the pre-order traversal of the following tree T. Here, solution. First, visit the root A. Traverse the left subtree and visit the root B. Now, traverse the left subtree with B as the root. It is empty. The traverse the right subtree of B and visit the root D. There is no subtree of D. Here, the back to the root A, traverse the right subtree and visit the root C. Traverse the left subtree with C as the root and visit the root E. The subtree of E is the empty. Then traverse the right subtree of C and visit the root F. The root F has no subtree and output is A, B, D, C, E, and F. Post-order traversal. The post-order traversal of a binary tree is defined recursively as follows. Traverse the left subtree in pre-order. Traverse the right subtree in post-order. Visit the root. Here, example, we find the post-order and traversal of the following tree T. Solution. Traverse the left subset with root A in post-order. Traverse the left subtree with root B in post-order. The left subtree of B is empty. Traverse the right subtree since D has no subtree. Visit D. Then back to B and visit B. Here. Then back to A and traverse the right subtree of A. Traverse the left subtree with C as root. Since E has no subtree, visit E. Traverse the right subtree with C as root. Since F has no subtree, visit F. Then back C and visit C. Back to the root A and visit A. Hence, output is D, B, E, F, C, and A. Here, in order traversal. The in order traversal of a binary tree is defined recursively as follows. Traverse in order the left subtree. Visit the root. Traverse in order the right subtree. Here, example, we find the in order traversal of the following tree T. Here, solution. First, traverse the left subtree with a root A in order. Again, traverse the left subtree with root B in order. T empty, so visit the B. Now traverse the right subtree of B, then traverse the left subtree of the which is empty. Visit D. The right subtree of D is empty. Back to A and visit A. Traverse the right subtree of A in order. Again, traverse the left subtree of C in order. Then, the left subtree of E in order is empty. So, visit E. Traverse the right subtree of C. There is no subtree of F. Visit F, back C and visit C. All the vertices have been covered, hence output is B, D, A, E, F and C.